Welcome back to Kids Cove. Let's learn about home objects today. But first, meet Aiden, the dinosaur, and Anna, the unicorn. They're hiding somewhere in the house. Can you help me find out where they are? Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the living room. What sort of things can we find here? Sofa, television, remote control, clock, coffee table, armchair, ceiling light, piano, cushion, floor lamp, curtain. This is the kitchen. What sort of things can we find here? Refrigerator, oven, stove, dining table and chairs, saucepan, frying pan, pot, toaster, kettle, grater, bowl, plate, fork, spoon, knife, cutting board. Now this is the bathroom. What can we find here? Bathtub, toilet, toilet paper, shower, towel, mirror, rubber duck, sink, toilet brush, toilet plunger. This is the bedroom. What can we find here? Bed, closet, dresser, pillow, blanket, painting, vanity table. This is the study room. What can we find here? Bookcase, desk, desktop computer, laptop computer, corkboard, desk lamp, stationery. Here comes the laundry room. What can we find here? Washer and dryer, laundry detergent, iron, ironing board, laundry basket, vacuum cleaner. Oh, by the way, did you find out where Aiden and Anna were hiding? I see. Anna was hiding in the bathroom, and Aiden was hiding in the bedroom. Well done! If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now!